Welcome to our tour through the fascinating world of brain biology, where molecules dance and neurons sing. Today we're diving into molecular symphony happening inside your cerebral cortex. Let's start with some of the key players, proteins that keep our neurons in tip-top shape. Imagine a bustling city where proteins like alpha-interleukin and neurofilaments form the backbone of the cytoskeleton, a structural network that gives neurons their shape and helps with everything from cell migration to dendritic spine formation. These proteins are like the scaffolding of a skyscraper, ensuring everything stays in place as neurons grow and connect. Speaking of connections, neuronal protein complexes and synaptic vesicles are the messengers at the nerve communication point. Think of synaptosomal proteins like syntaxin and synaptobrevin, the VIPs that facilitate the fusion of synaptic vesicles with the presynaptic membrane, releasing neurotransmitters that pass signals across the synaptic cleft. This process is like a well-choreographed dance where each molecule has its turn to pass the baton. But life in the brain isn't always smooth sailing. Oxidative stress caused by things like heat stress, inflammation, and even oxidative reactions in mitochondria can threaten neuronal health. Luckily, our cells have defense systems. Heat shock proteins and peroxyredoxins like peroxyredoxin 2 act as molecular firefighters, quenching reactive oxygen species and preventing damage. Speaking of energy, neurons are energy hungry. Creatine kinase B and lactase dehydrogenase B are the fuel stations. Ensuring ATP, your cell's energy currency, is always available. This is crucial for processes like neuronal migration, action potential generation, and maintaining the cell's overall health. Let's venture into the realm of gene regulation and signaling. Transcription factors like CREB1 serve as molecular hubs. They're the brain's control towers coordinating gene expression in response to various signals. G proteins such as GNA01 are like the switch operators transmitting signals from neurotransmitter receptors to inside the cell, influencing everything from neuronal differentiation to synaptic plasticity. How do all these tiny molecules communicate? That's where microRNA and other non-coding RNAs come into play, fine-tuning gene expression and ensuring proteins are produced just right. Translational bioinformatics and data science help us decode this complex language, analyzing DNA, RNA, proteins, and metabolites to understand brain function and dysfunction. Finally, all these processes are interconnected in a grand interconnectome, like a vast city's network of roads and highways, that enables us to think, feel, and remember. When things go awry due to polymorphisms, complex dysfunction, or excessive synaptic activity, neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's can emerge, sometimes involving ameliogenesis where abnormal helical proteins form plaques. Thanks for joining this lighthearted journey in the molecular universe of the cerebral cortex.